Germany's Chancenkarte or the Opportunity Card is open for applications from June 1st. For those of you who don't know what it is a residence permit that allows you to come to Germany without a job and then look for a job for up to 1 year. You can work part-time while you're looking for a job, but you have to figure out your expenses as well as accommodation when you're in Germany. It's a points-based system, and to qualify for the card, you need 6 points in the following criteria. First, educational qualifications. You can get 6 points if your degree is recognized and 4 points if it is partially recognized according to the ANOBIN website. To check this, simply go to the ANOBIN website and see the status of your university and your degree. Second, shortage occupations. If your qualifications belong to a shortage occupation, you will receive 1 point. A shortage occupation is an occupation where there is a shortage of skilled labor. Third, professional experience. You will receive 2 points for at least 2 years of relevant work experience in the last 5 years, or 3 points for at least 3 years of relevant work experience in the last 7 years. And relevant work experience means that your work must be in the field related to your degree. Fourth, language skills. You'll receive 1 point for German A2, 2 points for B1, and 3 points for level B2 or higher. Additionally, if you are C1 or C2, you get 1 extra point. Fifth, age. If you are younger than 35, you receive 2 points, and if you are between 35 and 40, you get 1 point. Sixth, residence in Germany. If you have stayed in Germany for at least 6 months in the last 5 years, you receive 1 point. This includes if you have stayed for studies, language courses, or even a job. And lastly, Shadi benefits. If your spouse also qualifies for the Chancenkarte, you both receive 1 point if you apply at the same time. You also need to prove that you can sustain yourself financially during your stay in Germany, and you can do this either by a blocked account or a sponsorship letter. For the blocked account, as of July 2024, you need 1027 euros for your 1 year of stay. One important thing here, that during your stay, you can only work for 20 hours per week in part-time jobs. Additionally, you can take up trial jobs for up to 2 weeks with potential job opportunities you want to join. There is also an official visa checklist for the Chancenkarte. You will find it on the embassy's website or in the description. The basic things are the passport, the application and the declaration form, and your 2 photos. Second, you need the proof of blocked account or a sponsorship letter. If you're looking for a blocked account, we recommend Expatrio because we have worked with them for a very long time, and they not only help students but also Chancenkarte applicants. You'll get a safe, secure and a trustworthy blocked account with Expatrio, and you will save up to 269 euros in cashback. All the details related to Expatrio and its infamous value package is in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Then you also need proof of your qualification and your work experience. Here you have to submit proof of your qualifications from ANOBIN website or confirmation from the German Central Office of Foreign Education that your degree is recognized. If your qualifications are recognized, you don't need any other proof, but if they are not recognized or partially recognized, you may have to submit proof like language skills, work experience, and if you have stayed in Germany previously. Then you also need statement of purpose, and you need to add these things. You also have to submit proof for job applications or any invitations to job interviews. Then you need a proof of personal status using birth certificate and Aadhaar card with English translation, your CV and your health insurance, and that is everything you need to know about the new Chancenkarte. It is a new law which is in effect to tackle the shortage of skilled labor and attract international workers. If you have any other doubts, put them in the comments below, and if you want to open your blocked account with Expatrio, the link to that is in the description.